Ready to explode your Shopify sales with a deal shoppers can't resist. Buy one, get one free. First, log into your Shopify admin panel, the command center of your online empire. Next, click on Apps. This is where we'll find the tools to make the magic happen. Search for a BOGO app in the Shopify App Store. There are tons of options, so pick one that fits your budget and offers the features you need. Popular choices include bulk discounts, automatic discount, or BOGO buy one get one free. Once you've installed your chosen app, follow the app's specific instructions to set up your BOGO promotion. This usually involves selecting the products included in the deal. Choose the products you want to include and specify the quantity needed to trigger the free item. For instance, buy one shirt, get another free. Decide if the free item is the same as the purchased item or a specific product you choose. Many apps let you offer a discount on a related item as well. Determine whether you want the free item to be completely free or discounted by a percentage. Set up the discount settings page, setting the value for the discount. Set the start and end dates for your promotion. Creating a sense of urgency always boosts sales. Make sure the promotion is clearly visible on your product pages. Use banners and badges to grab your customers' attention. Finally, test the promotion thoroughly. Make sure it works correctly before launching it to your customers. Now, watch those sales skyrocket and those products fly off the virtual shelves.